Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing a quick but detailed comparison between Fidelity SPXX and FCASH in 2025. If you're deciding where to keep your cash inside a Fidelity account, this breakdown will help you understand how each option works so you can choose what fits your needs best. Fidelity SPXX is designed for investors who want to earn more on their idle cash. In 2025, SPAXX generally offers higher yields, often above 4%, allowing your unused money to grow without active effort. Your cash remains highly liquid and can be moved into investments easily, making it a solid choice if you're comfortable holding funds in a money market fund. While it may not be ideal for constant transactions like bill payments, SPXX is excellent for maximizing returns on cash that isn't needed immediately. FCASH focuses on convenience and instant accessibility rather than high returns. It typically offers a lower interest rate, around 2% to 2.5%, but the key advantage is that your money is immediately available for trades, transfers, and everyday transactions. There's no waiting period for settlement, which makes FCASH ideal for active traders or users who frequently move money, pay bills, or need quick access to their cash within their Fidelity account. I see SPAXX as a safe, savings account-like option that pays a much higher return than FCASH, with the yield already net of its expense ratio. It does not lose value with stock market movements, and interest is paid monthly, which makes it ideal even for small cash balances in a mostly invested Roth IRA. The downside is that the interest rate can fluctuate over time, and it's not meant for frequent transactions like everyday spending. I find FCASH useful mainly for convenience and instant access to funds for trades or transfers. However, the interest rate is significantly lower than SPAXX, which makes it inefficient for holding idle cash, even in small amounts. Its main negative is the missed opportunity to earn higher returns when better options like SPAXX are available. In simple terms, SPXX is best for those who want to earn higher interest on idle cash, while FCASH is better for users who prioritize speed and convenience. Both options are safe and liquid, so the right choice depends on whether earning more or accessing funds instantly matters more to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.